Are you sure your fleet data is giving you real business insights? Or just the illusion of it? Chances are your most critical fleet information is trapped in silos. Telematics, business operations, finance, they don't talk to each other. The result? Inaccurate reports, poor decisions, rising costs. Unifying this data often means weeks spent wrestling with API and complex integrations. Predictive analytics or optimization feels like a distant, costly project. It's time to break the cycle with Navixy IoT Query, your private, secure telematics data lakehouse. IoT Query gives analysts what they need most: direct, SQL native, secure access to all your telematics and business data. They can use the tools they already trust and start analyzing data immediately, without the burden of building new integrations. Create live dashboards with the KPI that drive fleet performance. Total cost of ownership, route efficiency, compliance, utilization, all in one place. Deliver fully auditable analytics and unlock predictive models that cut downtime and fuel waste. Turn your fleet data into your most valuable strategic asset. Activate Navixy IoT Query and keep your entire mobile resources on the same data-driven path.